Hey you, yeah you, do you have a 2013 to 2018 2500 or 3500 Dodge Ram? If you do, you're probably familiar with the 19V-021 safety recall that specifies dealerships are to weld your jam nuts to the adjuster sleeve. Now, how does that make sense? Because to me, it doesn't. How do you adjust and center your steering wheel if you lift the vehicle? Well, you gotta remove the drag link and you gotta grind off the jam nut weld, and then you have to break the jam nuts free, and then you have to adjust the adjuster sleeve, and then you have to tighten everything back down again, and then you have to re-weld the jam nuts to the adjuster sleeve. Now, that just isn't smart, but what is smart is the Steer Smart's Yeti XD adjuster sleeve. Once you've removed this crap here, you can just throw it away and you can install this bad boy right here, which makes easy on-vehicle adjustment with the right and left-hand threads. In addition to that, it is only 45 foot-pounds on these nylock nuts, so you don't have to break your back trying to torque those things. When it comes to steering and chassis solutions, steer smarter, not harder.